Hi everyone, if you've been trying to bring mobile software over to your desktop, this video is for you. I'm showcasing the most powerful emulator currently available for apps and games. Keep watching. First off, head to our website to grab the setup file and fire it up. Once it's on, you'll be greeted by the main dashboard, which looks exactly like a standard tablet interface. To get any app or game, just open up the Play Store, type it in the search bar, and hit install. Alternatively, you can drag and drop your own APK file right into this window, and it will instantly detect it. You can also dive into the emulator's core settings to tweak everything to your liking, or browse its built-in storage manager to check out the files you've already downloaded. Head over to our website to fetch this emulator along with a ton of other cool software. Massive thanks for watching.